Your past. It's something you can't touch, can't change, and yet, it has the power to control how you feel every single day. Have you ever noticed how a single memory from years ago can suddenly hit you out of nowhere, leaving you feeling angry, sad, or even ashamed? The truth is, the past has a way of sneaking into the present and shaping the future, often without us realizing it. Some people spend their lives running from it. Instead of seeing your past only as pain, ask yourself, what did this teach me? How did it shape who I am today? Often, the most difficult moments are the ones that give us the greatest strength, wisdom, or compassion. This doesn't mean the pain was necessary or good, but it means you can choose to grow from it rather than let it define you. Making peace with it is not about erasing it or pretending it didn't shape you. It's time to let it rest, to forgive what needs forgiving, and to start writing your next chapter with clarity, strength, and peace. Because the truth is, you deserve it. It's about choosing to stop letting it control how you feel today. Acceptance, emotional understanding, forgiveness, reframing, and moving forward are powerful tools that allow you to break free from old pain and step into a new chapter of your life. Others pretend it doesn't exist. But here's the thing, ignoring the past doesn't erase it, it traps you in it. Certain places, songs, or even smells might bring back old pain. Making peace with your past isn't just about healing, it's about creating space for something better. Set new goals, surround yourself with supportive people, and prioritize activities that bring you joy and growth. The more fulfilling your present becomes, the less room your past has to haunt you. Instead of avoiding these triggers forever, work on facing them gradually with a new mindset. For example, if a certain place reminds you of loss, revisit it with someone you trust and create a new, positive memory there. By doing this, you teach your brain that the past doesn't own you anymore. Making peace with your past is not about forgetting what happened, it's about breaking free from its emotional hold so you can finally breathe again. Today, we're going to explore exactly how to do that, step by step, in a way that is simple, clear, and deeply powerful. The first step to making peace with your past is acceptance. This doesn't mean agreeing with or approving of what happened. It simply means facing the reality that it happened and you cannot change it. Many people stay stuck because they replay moments in their heads thinking, if only I had done this differently, if only they hadn't hurt me, if only things had turned out another way. But this cycle doesn't heal, it chains you to regret. Acceptance is choosing to say, yes, it happened. And I can't change that. But I can choose how I feel about it moving forward. The second step is understanding your emotions without judgment. Your past shaped you in ways that might still hurt. People often resist forgiveness because they think it means what happened was okay. It doesn't. Forgiveness is about freeing yourself from carrying that heavy emotional load. When you forgive, you're saying, I refuse to let this control my life anymore. Sometimes that forgiveness is directed toward others, and sometimes it's toward yourself. Because let's be honest, many of us are harder on ourselves than anyone else ever was. It might have created anger, guilt, sadness, or resentment. Instead of running from these emotions, allow yourself to feel them. Write them down, talk about them, or simply sit with them. The more you avoid what you feel, the stronger its grip becomes. Healing starts when you give yourself permission to feel, and permission to let go. Next, we move to forgiveness, but let's make this clear, forgiveness is for you, not for them. Another step is reframing your past experiences. Also, change your relationship with memory triggers. Lastly, focus on building the present and future you want. Your past is a chapter of your story, but it is not your whole book. So today, give yourself permission to stop being at war with your past. You've carried it long enough,